there are very less chances that all the cricket spectators will be able to watch the India versus Pakistan match in the Asian Games 2026. Now, why? The reason behind it is that teams like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh, as far as men's cricket is concerned, they have already qualified for the quarterfinals due to obvious reasons. Due to the rankings and everything, they have already qualified for the quarterfinals. Now, what happening is that Team India will play the quarterfinal one. In men's cricket, I'm talking about first. Team India will play the quarterfinal one, and Pakistan will play the quarterfinal two. Now, if they win the respective quarterfinals, then Team India will play the semi-final one and Pakistan will play the semi-final two. So, India versus Pakistan is becoming a bit unlikely as far as the early stages of Asian Games is concerned. Yes, they can face each other when it's the bronze medal playoffs or the gold medal think. At that time they may face each other only if both of them qualify. That's also a T and C which is coming, and which is obviously the byproduct. And if we talk about women's cricket, then again similar kind of thing is happening. In women's cricket, Team India again will play the quarter final one and Team Pakistan will play the quarter final four. So again, these seedings are not getting set as far as India versus Pakistan match is concerned. And yes, that's quite obvious that whenever any kind of tournament is happening, the fans, the spectators sit and think about that, you know what, we will watch the India versus Pakistan match. Even the people who don't watch much cricket, they sit to watch the India versus Pakistan match, and that's a kind of hype, a kind of rivalry which we see very often, and it's going on since a very long period of time. It's not something which has started recently, it is happening since a very long period of time. So in order to watch India versus Pakistan in the Asian Games, both the teams have to, like, go through the knockouts, the quarterfinals, the semifinals, obviously, in order to face each other. And after that, only we can expect to watch India versus Pakistan in the Asian Games 2026. So let's see what happens, what kind of gameplay both these teams, as far as men's and women's both are concerned, they will play. It is very important to watch because again, if they have to face each other, both of them have to qualify. Both of them have to go through the knockout. So let's see what happens. And for more such news, updates, and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.